Hey, what's up guys? iClick here. Today I'm going to be showing you my $670 budget PC build. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so my first part for the budget build is going to be the CPU, which is the Intel Pentium G3258. It's a 3.2 gigahertz dual core processor. It's the one I have in my computer, and basically this is gonna be my computer build. It's what I've been using for a while, and so I decided I'll share it with you guys. You guys can build it on your own if you want, but yeah. So that's the first part, the Intel Pentium G3258, 3.2 gigahertz dual core processor. And then the second part is going to be the motherboard, which is the Asus H81MA Micro ATX motherboard. And so this motherboard only has 2 slots for RAM, which I wasn't very happy about, but it'll work. Like I had at the start 2 4GB RAM sticks, and then I wanted to go up to 16 rather than 8, and so what I did was I had to buy 2 8GB sticks rather than just buying 2 more 4GB sticks because I had no space for more RAM, so I had to pay more money for more RAM, I guess. So then anyway, the fourth part is going to be the hard drive. So it's the Seagate Barracuda 1TB 3.5 inch 7200 RPM internal hard drive. So this is also the hard drive I use. It's very good. I haven't used all the space on it yet. I've been using it for a while. It's pretty good. Don't see any problems with it. And then my sixth part will be the case, which is the Rosewill Galaxy O1 ATX mid-tower case. And so this case has USB 3.0 headers, or sorry, I guess I don't know what to call it. Just a front panel that has USB 3.0 holes for it, I guess, or I guess it's called a header, I don't know. And then the motherboard, I don't believe it has USB 3.0 headers. I'm not completely sure, but if that's a problem for you, you'll probably have to just check out a new motherboard. They're not that hard to find. Just find one that uses the same RAM, can fit like your graphics card, everything. Make sure it's all good. And then so my fifth part is going to be, oh sorry, I just got out of order. I did the sixth part before the fifth part, but oh well. So the fifth part is the EVGA GeForce GTX 950 2GB superclocked. And this graphics card is really good. I've been using it for a while now. It can run pretty much any game I put on it. It can run like 60 FPS on pretty much all games, medium settings. It's pretty good. So then my seventh part, the last part, is going to be your power supply. So it's the EVGA 500 watt 80 plus bronze certified ATX power supply. So this is not overkill. I don't think it's overkill, but it is good to have this big or large power supply, so that in case you upgraded your computer later on, once you have a bigger budget or whatever, your computer can still run fine and can handle all the parts you buy. So another thing is that with RAM, 8 GB is probably going to be more than enough for most video games that you find on the market today, but I upgraded mine to 16 gigabytes when I was playing a game called Rust, and I was running Rust with 8 gigabytes, and my game after about 30 minutes would just start lagging and then crash. But once I got it up to 16, it was fine. I could play it for as long as I wanted, good quality, 60 FPS, it was fine. And then, yeah, so that's the PC build that I wanted to share with you guys today. And so, before I go, just make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you like this content. Maybe put video suggestions in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.